So in the previous video, we have learned the concept of an indicator. That is, it is a special type of chemical substance which helps us to determine whether a given substance is acidic or basic. So now we're going to begin learning about indicators. So first we'll learn about litmus, which is the most commonly used acid-base indicator. So what exactly is litmus, guys? It is basically a natural indicator which is obtained from a plant called lichen. Is this clear? So this is how the lichen plant looks like. As you can see, naturally it has a purple or mauve color. So we say whenever the substance is neutral, what is color of litmus? It is purple or mauve. Is this clear? Next, how does the color of litmus change? Whenever you add litmus to an acidic solution, it will turn red. I repeat, whenever you add litmus to an acidic solution, it will turn red, and whenever you add it to a basic solution, it turns blue. So by judging the change in color, either red or blue, we can judge whether the substance is acidic or basic. And in case there is no color change, means the substance is neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral. Is this clear? As simple as that. So let's read about it. Litmus is a natural indicator. Litmus solution is a purple colored dye which is extracted from a type of plant called lichen. Litmus has a purple or mauve color in water. In other words, when litmus solution is neither acidic nor basic, it is neutral, then its color is purple. Is this clear? When litmus is added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when litmus is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. So the best way to remember this, guys, is B for basic, B for blue. Is this clear? So acids are red. Is this clear? So I hope the basic concept is clear. Now guys, though litmus is purple in color naturally, what we do is we generally transform litmus into two types of papers, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Why do we do that? So we can observe the change in color easily. Is this clear? So whenever we want to check whether substance is acidic or not, put blue litmus paper in it. The blue will come red, so you can clearly see the red mark. Similarly, dip the red litmus paper in a basic solution, it will turn blue. So for convenience of color change, we divide into red and blue litmus paper. Is this clear? So let's read about it. Though the natural color of litmus is purple, it is made into blue litmus and red litmus for the sake of convenience in detecting color change when an acid or base is added to it. Thus, litmus is made into two types, blue litmus and red litmus. So guys, there are two ways you can use litmus. One is of course in the form of these papers, which you'll commonly see in your science lab. Another way by which you can use litmus is in the aqueous form. So we have a red litmus solution and a blue litmus solution. That is also how you can use litmus. So see, litmus can also be used in the form of litmus solution, blue litmus solution and red litmus solution, all in the form of strips of litmus paper, blue or red. Is this clear? So this is how we use litmus. So what is litmus is clear. How is it clear? Now let's see the exact color change. So see guys, look carefully over here. This over here is a red litmus paper. When we dip it in this solution, it is turning blue. That means this solution over here is basic. So see, red litmus paper turning blue in a base. I repeat, see, this is a red litmus paper, but see here it has become blue. So whenever red litmus paper turns blue, B for blue, B for base. This is basic. Similarly, this over here is a blue litmus paper. See, in the solution it is turning red. Means this is an acid. As simple as that. Is this clear? So whenever you want to check whether a substance like over here is acid or base, dip both the papers, red litmus and blue litmus, and observe the color change. Wherever there is a color change, you can figure out what it is. If you're getting blue color, means it's a base. If you're getting red color, it is an acid. Is this clear? So let's read about it. Litmus is the most common indicator for testing acids base in the lab. Acids turn blue litmus to red and bases turn red litmus to blue. So now let's understand this with the help of a few examples. Now see guys, this over here is a lemon piece. So what we do is we want to check whether this is acidic or basic. So first put red litmus paper over here, nothing happens. Then you put blue litmus paper over here, see it is turning red. So blue to red, what is the color change? Red. Red means this is acid. So lemon is actually acidic. Why? It has citric acid over here. Is this clear? So whenever you want to test any substance, put both the litmus paper, first the red one, then the blue one. Wherever there is a color change, you'll know what it is. Here if you put a red litmus paper, nothing will happen. It's already acidic, right? But if you put a blue litmus paper, it will turn red. Is this clear? So blue to red means it is acidic. So see, if a drop of the given solution turns blue litmus paper to red, then the given solution will be acidic in nature. For example, a drop of lemon juice turns blue litmus paper to red, so lemon juice is acidic in nature. Why? It has citric acid in it. Is this clear? So this is how you test. Is this clear? That is, lemon juice contains an acid. Which acid? Citric acid. Let me take another example. This over here is baking soda. Is this clear? Now, if you make a solution of this, you first put blue litmus paper, nothing happens. But if you put red litmus paper in it, see it is turning blue. Red to blue, B for blue, B for base. So this over here is a base. So those substances which turn red litmus paper to blue are bases, blue to red are acids. Is this clear? Right guys? Let's read about it. If a drop of the given solution turns red litmus to blue, then the given solution will be basic. For example, a drop of baking soda solution turns red litmus paper to blue, so baking soda is basic in nature. It is as simple as that, guys. That is, baking soda is a base. Is this clear? So I hope guys how litmus works is clear. Now remember one thing guys, whenever using litmus, you should always have it in the solution form. That means the substance which you are testing should be a solution. You can use litmus paper. If the thing which you're testing is dry like a powder, then litmus should be in the solution form. Is this clear? So for example, you want to check whether baking soda is acidic or basic. Now baking soda is in the powder form. If you take dry litmus paper and put it over here, nothing will happen. I repeat, remember this guys, whenever you're testing something with litmus paper, whatever you're testing should be in the liquid form. Only then litmus will work. Is this clear? So if you want to test whether this powder is acidic or basic, just add water to it and then dip your litmus paper. Or take litmus in the solution form and add the powder to it. Is this clear? So please remember that. So see, please know that in order to test a solid substance with dry litmus paper, it is necessary to make a solution of the solid substance in water, otherwise the color change will not take place. Is this clear? For example, solid baking soda will not turn dry litmus paper to blue. We have to first make a solution of baking soda and water and then use it for testing the litmus paper. So don't be like you put litmus paper, no color, so it's neutral. No. Whenever you are checking with litmus, make sure if it is a solid, add water to it, convert it to liquid form, only then litmus will work. Is this clear guys? A drop of baking soda solution, it will turn red litmus paper to blue, indicating it is a base. Is this clear guys? Now guys, this is what litmus solution looks like. Is this clear? This is red litmus solution, this is blue litmus solution. So now let's say I have dry baking soda powder. So what happens is guys, if I add it over here, nothing will happen. But if I add it over here, this solution will turn blue. Red to blue means it is a base. Similarly, if you have to add an acid over here, this will turn red. Is this clear? So this is how litmus works. Is this clear? So litmus is a natural indicator. Natural color is purple, but we convert it into blue litmus and red litmus. Whenever you are testing litmus, remember it should be in the solution form. Either the substance should be in the solution form or litmus should be in the solution form. Then if red litmus turns blue, B for blue means it is a base. And if blue litmus turns red, it is an acid. And if there is no color change, means it is neutral. Neither acid nor base. Is this clear? So I hope that is clear. Now you're probably wondering, sir, what is this pH 4 and pH 10? We learn the concept of pH later in this chapter. Is this clear? So I hope what litmus is and how it works is clear.